Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update on a trade that I made the other day, which is on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Notice this uptrend here, it's quite a nice uptrend, and notice it come back down to the trend line, rising trend line. So I wanted to try and get in around about the 9,225 level, and I saw it bounce off there. I didn't get in straight away, however. I wanted to wait for my indicators and a candle pattern to give me the go-ahead to get into the trade. So I waited for this strong bullish candle here to rise above the previous high, which was there, which showed me that it's probably on the 4-hourly chart. There was a rising trend just here. I waited for the MA5 and 10 to cross. This is my my policy, and also the MACD to cross here as well, and also the RSI to start pushing above that 50 level, which is just there. So as we can see on the 4-hourly chart here, if I close in. So the 4-hourly chart is on a trend of itself at the moment, so still rising. It's just come back down to that area of resistance there on the rising supporting trend line as well. So I was interested in the results-wise or news releases-wise. I was interested in the unemployment rate of the Canadians coming up this Friday. So as you can see, its previous was 6.5% in June, and it's expected to be 6.5% in July as well. Historically, the July unemployment rate is worse than the June unemployment rate for some reason, and so it's expected to be a little bit worse than the June unemployment rate tomorrow, which should give us some bearish momentum for the Canadian dollar, which should make sure that the New Zealand dollar rises with the Canadian dollar. It rises against the Canadian dollar if those news releases are indeed worse. If they're not worse, then indeed the momentum will go against my trade, and I will end up getting stopped out at my 9,199 level, which is where my stop loss is. Again, you can never be sure. You can never predict the future. You just have to see what happens and adjust your trade depending on that. But these news releases are normally a good area to trade because they do give the market some volatility. And at the end of the day, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a bit of volatility to be able to make some pips, because otherwise nothing would ever happen. So you have to be a little bit brave and go for it and try and estimate or guesstimate which way the market is going to go, and then go from there. So target wise, I'm looking first of all at this 9,600 level here, where it's been before. There's a bit of resistance there. Then I'm looking at the 9,700 level, and lastly the 9,800 level, giving me roughly a 2 and then 3 to 1 ratio. So that hopefully that will come off, and I will make a few pips out of this one. Okay, let me know what you think. Are you in this trade? Are you in the opposite direction? Comment on the video. Follow me at Making Money Online, my Facebook page. Also Online, which is my Twitter page. And you can also follow my YouTube channel of the same name. Okay, guys, see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.